guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aixa and today we are going to be opening up a Stila mystery box. Well, bag thing. It's supposed to be a bag inside of here, but we're gonna figure it out when we open it. This came inside of a bag that came inside of this, I'm assuming. Like, I don't know, it's like a weird way they set it up when they sent it out. But we got it in. This box retails for $60 and it has $35 value, something like that. Stila is really good. It's a little bit more on like the higher end side. So when I found a mystery bag for them, I was like, yes, let's get it. Let's see what we get. Hopefully it's good. So I got the trusty scissors here and we're gonna open it up. Yes, so I do believe that this is still in stock right now. I will leave the link down below if it is, that way you guys can purchase it as well. But let's am I doing this wrong? What's going on? Is anything wrong? Oh my goodness. Okay, ready? Okay, so you can't really tell obviously, but it has like a little Stila on here, and then we have like this little paper, and then we get the thing. So the receipts inside the box. So I ordered this on May 20th and it is currently June 5th. So I did get this box probably like maybe like 2-3 days ago, so it did take some time to come to me. But let's open it up. There's a lot of rustling around here. Okay. Oh, I love the presentation. Love the presentation. They put so much thought into this box. That's all I gotta say. All the stuff that's gonna go in the garbage. So, okay, this is a little free sample of what? Oh, for foundation. It's like a little free sample. That's cute. But everything that's in the bag is in here, so you kind of can see through it. Okay, save that for later. So it comes in this cute little clear bag. It's a little cheapo, but I feel like this would be really cute bag for traveling. To put like your little travel size items inside of. I think that'll be really cute. So let's start. So the first thing I see is this, because it's not in gold packaging, so I was like, let's go for this first. This is the Magnum Triple X mascara. So this is most definitely a travel or like sample, deluxe sample size. Let's throw it to the side if I can open it. Oh, that sounds so nice. The bristles are pretty nice. It's pretty big on the bottom, and then like it gets smaller at the top, which I think is really cute. I just smelled mascara and I said it smells pretty nice. It smells like regular mascara. I just have a weird smelling problem, and the first step is to admit you have a problem, and I have a problem. So let's move on to the next one. So there's nothing, like, the receipt didn't tell me how much anything is. It didn't give me individual items. There's nothing in here that I see that gives me individual prices like this. Oh no, this is, oh, what's this? And I don't see anything here that gives me individual prices, so I would unfortunately have to look it all up. So let's open this. Oh, almost broke it. Oh, this is really cute. This is a nice little mirror. Okay, so you just like what, stand it? Oh yes, I put it here. You guys can't see that. Let's put it on the box so that you can see it. So you can see. So you just like stand it up. How cute! Maybe with like less movement, but it's nice. The top is like metal. It's really thin, so it's really easy to take with you. like if you're traveling or anything. So I think this is really cute. The next thing we have, I'm just grabbing stuff, is a Shimmer and Glow liquid eyeshadow. Ooh, in the shade Twig. So let's swatch this. Ooh, this is like a nice little coppery brown. I don't know if it's focusing on it. Let's just swatch it. You know what I'm doing. So let's swatch these swatchy. I don't think I'm doing a good job. You see what happens when I can't see? I just make a mess. But this copper brown is amazing. Oh my goodness. And it's like, it was only a one dip thing and I got so much out of it. Wow, I made this really big, but it's okay. It was like a one dip and look how much came out. And I still have more on the wand. So definitely un poquito es mucho. A little is a lot. I don't know Spanish, guys. I'm so sorry. So my Spanish is like very rickety rackety, but it works. So let's see how long this takes to dry down. I can still see that it is wet, like it has that nice little glisten on it, which is nice because if it's a liquid eyeshadow, it gives you some playing time. But let's see how long it takes to dry down. I can feel the wetness on my arm. So the next thing we have is the Micro Tip, the Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. Water agua proof. You see this? Okay, and then this is the, what shade is it? It's black. I'm assuming it's black, right? Intense black. Yeah, because it didn't really say anything else. And of course it is a felt tip liner. So this time maybe I should look, because if not, we're gonna have another incident like this. So we're just going to, can you guys see? I hope so, because I'm very uncomfortable. I mean, for intense black, I do feel like it's a little bit on the watery side. I mean, it is waterproof. Is that the point of it being on the watery side? I feel like I feel like it's not that pigmented of a black. It's more watered down black, so you would have to do a couple more layers, because I did put a couple layers on it, and I still feel as like you can still see my skin. And I feel like with eyeliners, once I do a coat, I don't want to see my skin through it, you know. I want to see just black, but I can still see my skin, and it is bleeding as well. Yeah, I can see. I don't know if the camera focuses on it, but it's like bleeding on my skin as well. So I don't know, maybe it will be better on the actual eyes than it is on the arm. But as for the arm, it didn't do so well in the swatching. The liquid eyeshadow is just a little bit wet still, a little bit transferred, but it's not like too wet. It's still going to dry down, so let's leave that on there for a little bit longer. The next thing we have is the Smudge Stick Waterproof Eyeliner, okay, in the shade Espresso. So this one is brown, if I can open it. And I think this one is an actual pencil. Yeah, this one's a pencil instead of like a liner. I mean, felt tip liquid one. So let's swatch this one. Oh yes, I'm living for these. This was so creamy. So I want to see, and it's waterproof, so I want to see how long it takes for that to like dry down, see if it smudges, because that was nice. It was nice and creamy and buttery. Love it. So if I fall in love with this, I might have to get it in black, so I'm gonna need to know how much it costs. So the next thing that's in this bag, we have 2 more items in here. Let's just throw all the ones that I already opened in there. Let's just throw the sample. No, the sample don't really fit. Throw all that in there. So the next thing we have is the Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick. Love me some lipstick. So let's just open it. This is in the shade Fia. F-I-A, Fia. Ooh, so I'm kind of nervous because it's really pretty nude, but I feel like it might be like a little, it might wash me out a little bit. So let's swatch this on my, ooh, actually this is a lot darker than it looked in at the tube. So let's just swatch this on my arm. This is really creamy. A little bit went a long way. This is supposed to dry down matte. Let me see the box again. Liquid lipstick. It just says liquid lipstick, so this is supposed to dry down matte. It didn't really say what kind of finish it was going to be, so I'm assuming it's going to dry down matte, but we're going to leave it on and see how long it takes to dry down. The liquid eyeshadow is still wet. Maybe if I like blended it out with a brush on my eyes, it would dry faster, but it's still wet on my arm. Let me actually just clean that on my fingers so that I can get into the next one. Okay, so the last one is the Twin Cheeks, the Kitten and Bronzer Duo. Yes, I love little duos. So, let's look at this. And this doesn't have shades on it. Oh, the Bronzer Matte and Kitten Shimmer. So I'm assuming, okay. Ooh, so this is a highlighter and a bronzer. I thought it was a blush for a second, but after looking at it, this is definitely a highlighter and a bronzer. So I'm pretty excited. Just missing a little blush, but it's okay. This is really cute. A nice little size mirror. A very good mirror, actually. How you doing, boo? So let's swatch it. Let's start with the bronzer. So the bronzer might be just a little bit light. We will see. Oh, but it's so creamy. It's definitely a little bit on the lighter side, but it's really creamy. And then let's see the highlighter. Yeah, they're really creamy. So it doesn't really have the glow that I'm used to, but it might look a little bit different on the face. Let's see. Oh yeah, on the face it gives me a little bit more glow. Oh, definitely. That's really pretty. I don't know how it would look with a whole beat face. Like, it looks nice now with like a no makeup kind of thing going on. And it looks really nice and natural. So I say if you're looking for a natural makeup thing, bronzer brush, bronzer highlight duo, yes. But I feel like it's a little too, the bronzer is a little too light. The highlight is really nice and subtle. If I'm doing like a natural makeup thing, I would use it. Okay, so let's see. Both of the eyeliners are dry, like not moving dry. Then we have an eyeshadow that still smudges off. So it might set when you blend it out, but for me to rub it and doesn't look, and it came off on my finger, doesn't look like I made a dent on my arm. Like, it looks the same way it did before. And then for the lipstick, it is still wet. I feel it dragging on my skin. It's definitely still wet. So it does take a few to dry down, but it does dry down matte. Okay, so from the removal process, the one that's giving me the toughest time is the lipstick, as it's still stained on my arm. So I would just have to deal with that later. But honestly, I think that everything that came in this little pack is really cute. I feel like it gives you like kind of like a full face, other than like the blush and the foundation, because obviously, well, I mean, even then they give you like a little trial of foundation without like blush. I mean, it's still, you don't really need the blush. You have eyeliner, mascara, an eyeshadow, lipstick, bronzer, highlighter, so you can really do like a cute little natural look with all of this. And I think it's a really good deal. So I will leave the overall value down here somewhere. Yes, I think it was really good. It's really bothering me that it's still stuck on my arm. I think that it was a really good bag. I think I was like actually pretty impressed, because I didn't know what I was gonna get inside of the bag. I didn't know what to expect, and I think that it was pretty good. It exceeded expectations, you know? Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, just leave a little comment down below. Let me know what you would like to see. Like if you want me to do any unboxings, if you want me to subscribe to anything, if you want me to buy anything, just let me know. I'll be happy to do it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell button down below so that you'll be notified every time that I upload. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Let me see you better group when the beat drops.